Assalamu alaikum guys. Today on Cooking with Erin we're going to be making donuts. So this donut recipe is really easy, really simple, and it's only like just a 2-minute recipe, so it just takes no effort and no time at all. And it's really yummy and really delicious. So let's get started. So we're going to be adding 2 cups of self-raising flour. That's 1 cup. And then we're going to put in the other cup right now. That's 2. Okay, and then we're going to be adding some yogurt. 2 cups of yogurt. So just 1 big scoop of yogurt, 1, and then we're gonna go for the other one. Just get 1 other big scoop and then put it in here. That's the second big scoop, and then we're gonna be getting all the excess off the cup, the measuring cup. We're not gonna be wasting any food or any yogurt here. No, 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 no. Okay, and then next you have to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You don't need that much baking powder because, the self-raising flour. And then we're going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so then we're going to mix it all up, and then we're going to be adding some milk so it could be a bit runny, just a tiny bit runny, just a tiny bit. It's supposed to be the consistency for the dough. It's supposed to be sticky. It's supposed to be really really sticky and really really soft. It shouldn't be like all runny like cake batter, like raw cake batter. So then you just have to mix it all up so it becomes really doughy and really sticky. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep kneading, just keep kneading. So it's supposed to be sticky like this. Can you see? That's the type of consistency that you want. Okay, then after that, we're going to be putting that in a bag, in a piping bag, or in a Ziploc bag, or you could just use spoons because we're going to be deep frying them in oil. So I'm using a piping bag and I'm just going to use the scissors so I could get the size that I like. I'm just going to squeeze the piping bag and then just cut it so I could get the size that I like. And then plop them into the oil and then you just have to let them deep fry, become fluffy, get all fluffed up and poofy and golden. So we just have to toss them till they become golden brown. So yeah, we're gonna be frying them, and then after that we're gonna be moving on to the glaze, which is one of my favorite bits, and I really love the glaze so so much. That's like the key point. That's the key part of the donuts. So we're just gonna keep frying them, tossing them over till it becomes golden brown and really fluffy and really just delicious. Ooh, you could also add sugar and cocoa powder, and then we could just like cover them all up, so it could be like chocolate covered donuts. Chocolate coated donuts. That would be a good idea if you want. If you don't want to add glaze, then you could just do that. Really easy. Just get cocoa powder, sugar, mix them all together, and then just toss them in. So okay, so now we're moving on to the glaze. So that was about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you just melt them. And then we're going to be adding some sugar, icing sugar, and then we're going to be adding some milk, so it could be a bit runny for the glaze, obviously. Okay, so we're going to be adding and a lot of sugar. So we just have to mix that all up, and then we're going to be adding a little bit more sugar for this. Just add a bit more sugar, and then just whisk it all up, or mix it all up. So we're going to mix it all up till it becomes, finely mixed. You know what this reminds me of? It looks like condensed milk for some reason. Ooh. So yeah, the glaze is supposed to look like this. Yep, the glaze is ready. Okay, so once we mix the glaze, we're going to be adding the donuts in, and then we're just going to plop them into the glaze, and then we're going to just cover them up. And then we're going to be covering them up. Just mix them, just cover them up in glaze. And then we'll have to shake the excess glaze off the donuts. Just shake the glaze off the donuts. The excess glaze. Yeah. And then we're just going to be plating them. As you can see, this is the final product. The donuts look really they're really golden and looks really really fluffy inside. Just look at this. It looks really fluffy inside and really nice. And I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Bon appetit. Allah Hafiz.